What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Yesterday, someone commented on one of my videos regarding removing this stripe on the seat, along with the Razor label on the black leather seat. It actually seems like it's painted on. It's not like a sticker or vinyl that I can just rip off. So they mentioned that they sprayed a little bit of brake clean on a rag to take it off. Fortunately, I don't have any brake clean right now. So all I have is this bottle of acetone, which is very potent and you have to be very careful with it. So I'm just gonna try to use it really lightly, along with taping up the areas around it to risk less area of damage. So you see it's actually like painted onto the leather. So always been wondering how to get rid of that. So we're gonna figure it out today. While I'm at it, I'm gonna take off any remaining safety labels, since this one already started ripping off anyway, just to make the bike look a lot cleaner overall. Now that we have the surrounding area all taped up, we can now attempt to take the paint off with the acetone. Just going to be using a microfiber rag and dab a little bit of acetone at a time, since this is very, very strong. I don't want to damage the black leather surface. Wow, yeah, it takes the paint off immediately. Now I'm just going to remove the tape and blend it. And just like that, it's gone. It looks so much better, so much sleeker without any logos on it, like that stuff. And it looks less childish because it doesn't say Razor with a red stripe on the side of it. So it looks so much better. I'm glad I didn't damage the surface. There is leftover red and white on the very inner edge over here, but if you want to get that off, you have to take the fairings off and unbolt the seat from this fairing, so you can get to that crevice, but we'll get to that later. Now, even though it's all clean and it looks like it's finished, I don't want any residue or any remaining acetone to be on the surface, since I don't want it to wear down this black. So I'm going to spray it with some Griot's interior cleaner, just to get rid of that remaining acetone that might be left. And I recommend a new rag. That's it. Now we can move on to the other side. I found that the easiest way to remove decals like this or stickers with minimal residue left over is to heat it up with a heat gun first before trying to peel it off. clean. Keep in mind that there is still plastic components in a tire here, so don't get too crazy with the high heat setting and getting too close to the rubber or the plastics. But not a single bit of residue, turned out very well. If you've been trying to figure out how to get those logos off of your seat and found this video helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects, consider subscribing to my channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.